Alright, here we have a assortment of heat pumps. Some running in heat mode. Got an American Standard Silver right here. A little 2-ton. 2016. Got a newer Ameristar right here. Running in heat mode. 2025 2.5-ton, brand new. And York LX just turned off. Currently set up for that old Goodman. Coke and Scroll. Five-ton from 2015. Newer one.
You filmed it?
Yeah. And we have a Green Classic. This has not been running, so that's why we set up on it. 2016 2-ton RP14. It's quite difficult to maneuver around here. And here we have this beast that we're trying for. Nice old unit. Two and a half ton for 1994 CPE. Probably has a Bristol or Tecumseh reciprocating compressor. Here's a Concord. It is freaking cold. It's like 24 degrees outside. 2-ton from 2022. 15 SEER. Yeah, this is a very nice unit right here. Very interesting at least. So, thanks for watching.